Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to perform some arithmetic operation in this series of the pandas. Now first of all we have to import for this pandas as pd. Let's wait for this. Now we will make first of all series 1 is equal to pd dot series and let's try it. I will make 100, 200, 300 for index is equal to a comma b comma c, and I will make s2 is equal to, I will make pd dot series and I will make here simply 200, 300, let's make 300 and with index equal to, index should be match here, otherwise it will not add. We will know this in later on how it will works, and let's make this b, well it will add this. Let's make s1, sorry for this, s1 plus s2. Now it is giving us this a with a, b with b, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, because we have make this c. Here this pandas is in recognizing this index, with index should this will match with index. If these both are matching or not, if matching it will add that matching index, means we have index in relevant way, it will arrange that index according to that and compare that. Now we can make this by other method also. For this what we can do is that, if I have, suppose I have say series 1 is equal to, sir I have already series 1 and I have series 3 is equal to pd dot series, and in this series we are passing some values 10, 20, 30, 40. We will make only 3. We can make more than this also. Index, let's try 40 also here, and index is equal to, let's say this is a comma b comma d comma e. Let's see if s1 plus s3 would add, and it is adding to us. Yes, it will add, but the problem is that it will add only that number, means a and a, b with b, and there is no d with this, and no d in series 1 and no c in series 2, and c will assign as non value, because there is one value in the series 1 but it will not accept, because it in next series there is no value, so it will assign non value here, because this is a function, it is assigning in on variable next, and likewise it is assigning to this. Now we can make another example here. I will make this I will make s3 is equal to pd dot series, and in this series I will pass simply 10, 20, 30, 40. I will pass here index with same index for 2 or more elements. I will pass here a comma b comma c comma a here, and next series would be series 4 is equal to pd dot series, and I will make here 200 comma 10 comma 400 comma 500, and with index is equal to, I will simply pass here a, sorry for this, a comma b comma b comma c. Let's see what it will do, and I will explain all three. S3 plus S4 is equal to, here we are getting a for 2 time, b for 2 time, and c for 2 only 1 times. Here we have initialized that value for the time for 4. So there are 4 elements, but we are getting answer in 5 element. Why we are getting this answer in 5 element rather than a, and a should add again and this should add and make 1? But the concept is not this. How many means n into m, it will be like this, n into m. Here how many number of the element are repeated and how many number of element are in next series would be multiplied and get the result. If I have 2 element here, we will make this same here. We will explain how this happen also, and I will make this here as, I will not make this b, I will make this a, and again this would be a, and I will make this would be not as b, and I will pass, so I will make this here, and I will make this also change because we don't have b. Let's not make, because we could get in nan value and nuts rather than. Let's see, we have 2, 4 and 6a. How this happen? There are 2a, here are 2a in the series 3 and there are 3a. 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and how this happened is that, first of all, this a will multiply with this a and result, this addition would be this 200 plus 10 is equal to 210, and this a will again add with this a, and there is 10, and here with this is equal to 10. Here again this a would add with this, and now it will get 410. Here is 400 and here is 10, and here is c, and it will terminate the turn of b. Here a, and here is no b, and it has print as nan, and c is adding with c and printing 500 plus 30 is equal to 530. Now again turns come of this a, and it will again add with this a, and result would be 240, means this is of 40 and this is of 200, and again to this and 50, and this is 440. This is how it would make, means it will multiply, it will add for number of times, how many times it is, means this first element will add with this all 3 element, and this second a will again add with 3 element and will result in another 3 answer. This is how we can use arithmetic operation. Now if you want to make we have same data in S1, and I would multiply S1 with S2, for this they are capital, yes, I have multiplied simple as 1 into 2 and it is giving me answer. I have mistakenly done that, but here let's see where is s1. Now s1 has the value of, let's first of all print this s1 here. Let's see, s1 has 100, 200 and 300. It is multiplying by 2 and it is making 2, 4 and 600 here. And likewise you can multiply 2 series with each other like this. Sorry for this, and like this. Here this is multiplying. Let's again print s2 for our reference. Here is 200 and 100 is equal to 20,000. 2 to the, yes, this is c. C is 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. It is giving us this answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay with us for more video.